Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 11, and we're going to continue talking about common mistakes that families make when completing the FAFSA. If you are just joining this series, please make sure to check out the description below and follow the links to the previous videos in this series. Today, we'll talk about duplicating assets and what that means. When you report assets more than once unnecessarily, you end up potentially causing your financial aid eligibility to be reduced. What do I mean? So when the current total of cash, savings, and checking accounts is reported, for example, some families, for some reason, and it happens quite often, they will also report this balance under the next column for current net worth of investments, including real estate. Please only count your cash, savings, and checking accounts in one place so that you don't double ding yourself. That is definitely a common mistake. We don't want to do that. So, thank you for joining us today. Please remember to like, share, invite others to join us for Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We will see you tomorrow. Bye.